Hello friends, in this video we'll see changing the text size, text color and the background for the adapter views like list view, spinner. Okay, for this I will take on the new project, change the constant layout to the linear layout, and change the orientation to the vertical. Now I'll take on small design. We'll take on plain text and one button. When I add text to the plain text, when I click on the button, that should be added to the spinner or the list view. I will take spinner. Okay, we'll take list view. When I add text to the edit text, when I click on the button, that text should be added to the list view. Remove the text name. I will give the hint as the enter name. Enter names. Change the button to the add. Button text to the add. Okay. We'll give ID to the list view because we need to initialize in the Java part. Okay, now we'll open the main activity Java. We need to initialize the edit text button as well as the list view. For the text I will take variable as E, for the button B, and for the list view I will take list view, the variable V. Okay, we need to store the element. We'll take on array list. The names is a type of string, that's why that is type should be string only. The variable is AL. Okay, now we'll take array adapter. Array adapter string. With the variable will take A. Initialize the edit text by using the find view by ID. .id dot edit text. Okay, click alt enter. Initialize the button using find view by ID. Now initialize the list view. The variable of the list view is V. This is okay. L1 is the ID of the list view. Okay, now initialize the array adapter, array list. Okay, don't initialize the array list by using the find view by ID. Okay, because this is not visible to the user. Okay, we need to initialize the array list by using the new keyword. New array list. That's the type is string. Okay, now before initializing the array adapter, now we'll need to create one more XML For the designing the text size text view, we'll go to the resource file, new resource file. Okay, we'll give the name as a row.xml. that is, the row is a predefined keyword, we need to give the row only. Change it to the layouts. Okay, remove this layout and give the text view. The list view is nothing but there is a collection of, that is nothing but the text view only. The text views are arranged. Now change the background. Change the background color ABC. Text. List view is nothing but we'll add one item into the edit text. When I click on the button, that should be added to the list view. Firstly, text view of the list view. When I make it repeatedly, when I add the second element, that will go to the second list view. Okay, for this the entire list view should be same. If you initialize one list view, that's enough. That will be okay. Now we'll initialize array adapter. A is equals to new array adapter. Here this is comma r dot layout dot. In the earlier video, r dot layout dot support simple. Now we need to use a row because that is our design. El is for the connection between the array list and the array adapter. That's the last parameter in the array adapter. Okay, now v dot set adapter for the connection between the list view and the array adapter. Okay, now we will write the on click listener for the button. B dot set on click listener. We'll take one variable string city equals to v dot get text dot to string. Okay. Now add this city to the array list. The array adapter is nothing but the bridge between the array list and the list view. Okay. A dot notify changed. When you add or delete remove from the array list, we need to give the notify changed event listener. To refresh the edit text, we will give edit dot set text request focus for the cursor. Now we'll run and see. Okay, this is our design. I will add some city names. Bangalore. Okay. See, the text size is different and the background is different and the text color is white. Okay. In the array adapter, when you change the r dot simple earlier one from the Google developer, that was in the gray color, but here I will change it to the another color. I will add one more city. Okay guys,